up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. And this is probably one of the shittiest nights of my life. I was driving and drunk driver hit me and totaled my car. I almost died tonight. Pretty much everything besides the passenger airbag went off. The side curtain, the knee airbag, the seat airbag, every side curtain. And I don't know if my truck was already that messy, but I feel like everything was like flying around here already, so I'm gonna blame it on that. Yeah, this was crazy. I'm glad that I was in this truck and not a race car. But yeah, it's pretty bad. I'm still really shaken up after this. Yeah, that's my truck. Oh man, that was the worst accident that I've been in my life. The truck like took it like a champ. I'm lucky to be alive. That's exactly how I'm looking at this. The truck literally saved my life, and I love this truck, man. I've had it for almost 5 years, man. This was the first car that I ever financed. It was, you know, I'm still paying it off. I don't know that much on it no more, but damn, it's a lot of memories on it. I'll probably post some here towards the end of this video, but now we got to talk about the whole process that has to happen now. So now that you guys know the whole spiel, we've looked at a couple cars. I'm here with my boy Nelson right here, carbon fiber guru right here. We're probably gonna make some carbon fiber stuff here pretty soon.
Damn right.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
But we're gonna go pick up the car that I decided to pick up. It's very redundant, but we're gonna go pick this thing up. You guys are gonna be the first to see this thing. I'm really excited. I've always wanted this thing, and you know, it really sucked, right? Like this whole situation really sucked, and I'm still not 100%, but I'm alive and I'm walking, and you know, I have my health, and you know, now I get to have a new vehicle. It's not new, but it is new to me. So we're gonna take a little trip down Los Angeles through all the rich and poor neighborhoods and find the new vehicle. So we'll see you guys when we pull up.
Easy.
How'd this happen, Nelson?
Hit a train guard barrier as it was. Why are you asking me the hard questions right now?
I'm just joking.
I know, I don't care.
Let's go
it's
see
not
what
my
we
fucking
got.
car.
Shit ain't mine.
Ain't mine. Long hair don't.
All right, guys, we just got here. The new vehicle is right behind this gate. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. Got the money right over here. Let's see what we are getting today. Super excited. Oh, shoot. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna miss you, Tacoma, but wow. Damn, I think he just detailed it for us, man. This thing looks so freaking good. It's luck. Wow. All right, let me wrap up my paperwork and we'll talk about the truck. Alright guys, I'm super stoked with the Raptor, man. At the beginning of this vlog, it was very sad. I was very sad. I was, losing my truck, man. That was like, I don't know. My truck is like my safe zone. I have a bunch of cars, but, a lot of them are always projects and the works in progress and stuff like that. My truck was always like my safety net. Like, no matter what was happening with my other cars, I would always have my truck to drive. And when I lost it, I just didn't know what to do. I drove my M3, I drove my 30 around, stuff like that. But, those don't make the best daily drivers when you have kids and stuff like that. So, now I was just happy that the insurance, I had full coverage insurance and they covered me. And I was able to hop into something else. Now, the Raptor is definitely an upgrade. There's so much to talk about. We might have to do a whole separate vlog on that, but I'm gonna take you on a quick tour of the new Raptor. Now, this thing is not brand new. It's a 2018. My Tacoma was a 2017, so it's not that much newer, but I feel like it has so much more to offer. One is that this thing already comes all pretty much tricked out from the factory. You got metal bumpers, skid plates, bigger suspension. This one already came with some 37-inch tires. But it already comes with like steps and it's huge on the inside. Huge. This thing is massive. You could literally, let me unlock this thing. It's a little dirty right now, but it's massive. Like, I'm a grown man and like this thing is just huge. And it also came with a cool pop top camper. It's like a tent that folds up. I looked at one other Raptor and I knew I liked it, but I saw this one. I was like, I had to have this one. It's a little dirty because the weather here in San Diego has not been too nice lately, but I really love the two-tone with the graphite and the glacier gray or whatever this color is called. The inside is really cool. Turn it on for you guys real quick. Push the start on here. Turn all this down here. You know what's crazy is that you would think this is so much of a bigger truck, but I get almost about the same fuel economy in this thing than I did in my Tacoma. And this thing is just freaking huge. Power seats, sunroof. There's just so many options that I will have to like pretty much go over with you guys in another video. But this is definitely an upgrade over the Tacoma, and I'm really happy with it. It's so much fun to drive. It's super fast. This thing's a huge truck, and it like literally chirps high. It's so much fun to drive, and I can't wait to take this thing off-roading. But we have plenty of time to get to know this thing on the channel. If you guys, any of you guys have Raptors out there, let me know what I should do. This thing already has a blow-up valve, and but I think maybe front mount intercooler is in store, and maybe a couple other things. So keep an eye out. This video started off really sad, but you know, I'm very happy with the upgrade. So if you guys want to see more stuff on the Raptor and other builds that we have going on, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and notification button, because you know, you never know what's going to be on the channel. So thank you guys so much for tuning in here at Source Customs. We got you covered. Peace.